Hello everyone, this is Tanishka Garodia presenting my project, Your Family Spiral. This is made on the advanced programming language Python. Coding is the language of the future. So here I have my program. If I click enter after selecting the py file, it will command enter a name or just hit enter to end. So here I enter a name. For example, Nen. Now it will repeat the same command. I enter another name. How about mine? Tanishka. Now it asks the same again. I can either press enter or add another name. I'll add Elena. Now as I'm running out of names, I'll press the enter command. So now as you can see, for the three names, my program has created a spiral or a loop. And this was your family spiral.